step one is gas.
Okay, hi, my name is Hannah, and this is my birthday trip slash concert slash day, sponsored by Kaylee. Hello! So what are we going to see the Front Bottoms in Kansas City on their Finding Your Way Home tour. I'm really sad that they won't play Lonely Eyes. Maybe like they'll know I'm in the crowd and be like, hey, Lonely Eyes, this is for you. Hey, it's your birthday in like over a month. We're playing a song for you. What's step one?
Gas and
Yay.
a fucking Red Bull. And if I get pulled over for some reason, I can't handle 2 tickets.
So all the gas is out of service.
Are they just out of gas? Like, what the fuck?
I drank it all, I'm sorry.
How dare you?
Fit it up, fit it up. Okay, fit check, fit check.
It's too early to be dressed like this.
Fit check.
Yeah, what?
This is not a gas station. Yep, that's what it's all about.
Say I hate you, you mean it, and I love you sounds fake. It's taken me so long to figure that out.
Dude,
I'm about to go spend my whole paycheck.
it's time to go gamble. This is me if you care.
Hi, I'm SpongeBob.
Okay, I kind of love him. Gas station haul. She is pumping the gas. Muddy Buddy. And to pair it, a raspberry peace tea. It was $12.86. Gas station haul.
I just got the wind.
Blueberry Red Bull.
Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up.
Okay.
A straw to drink it with. And then some Cheetos, because they didn't have my white cheddar Cheetos.
Good luck to whatever lesbian found her girlfriend of the month. Good luck. So that's actually where we're gonna be going. That's where the concert's being held.
Yes.
Venue's a little small, but it makes it really intimate, so. The peanut children. It's crazy.
You got me stuck to where I'm sitting, looking at your eyes, and I know I'm so pathetic. I wouldn't move to save my life.
Okay, mysterious. Who is she? Who is this diva? Oh.
In those lonely, lonely, lonely eyes.
Okay. Okay, fire. Oh. Day 3 of being in the K-pop. We just really don't want to do the surcharge, so we're staying here as long as possible. Just having 2 pieces per meal. Because I'd rather kill myself than pay the surcharge at a K-pop. Took the whole plate. Took the whole plate on one thing because we're not doing the surcharge. Okay. Ooh, they're gonna have to pay for this. They're gonna have to pay to see this. Made it out of the trenches. We need our stomachs pumped for sure. Switch the camera! We need our stomachs pumped. No surcharge though. No surcharge.
That way, but on the one day they close early, that's the one you wanna stay. Lonely girl, you are my world.
We've been here for 3 waiting in line. The rest have been here for 4 though, so they kind of got us beat. Yeah. Don't do that. I hope they play Fiend.
And then the concert was super, super awesome. And I'm definitely not muting all of the videos because you can hear me sing. That just didn't happen. But these ones are cuties.
Tell all your friends about us. Thank you.
We got out and wait.
In so much pain. Like, oh, did you get me complaining?
Yeah.
So, birthday concert was fucking awesome. I am in a lot of pain, and I guess that's just what fucking happens when you turn 24!
I'm young and spry and 18 years old, so
About 19.
I'm doing the best. Why is there a tear coming out of my eye right now?
Oh.
Why am I sobbing and screaming and crying? This is why I don't wear makeup. Also, the opener was
Fucking bomb!
fire and hot.
Very hot.
Did we get her shirt? Yes.
So it's 11:47 at night. We're at the Jenny's, and we're about to smash some food.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Late night.
Late night. That's not now.
Mm.